Before we do that, we've had a caller this morning contact me personally. It's actually our photographer, Andrew Melendez, who's out live with News 4 Tucson's Kendra Hall this morning, and he is wondering, because he's a big old baby, why it's so cold before the sun comes up.
Send him back east.
And normally the coldest part is just as the sun is coming up, Alex and Sean, and the reason being we're still losing more heat than gaining. Eventually, that balance restores itself over the next hour or two, and that is why it's always the coldest right as the sun is coming up over the Rincon Mountains. Right now, we're in the low 50s for the rush, upper 70s the drive home, daytime highs. Not in the 80s anymore. In fact, we're in the 70s for the foreseeable future, but temperatures still running a degree or 3 above average for this time of year. Sunshine, light winds out of the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Low to mid 70s this afternoon, Santa Cruz and Cochise counties. Looks pretty quiet on satellite loop and radar, right? Let's go to our water vapor imagery. This shows where the moisture and dry air is at the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. And you can see a trough that's carved out and approaching the Great Basin this morning, dropping in our direction. It's a moisture-starved storm system, the first of 2 impacting the state over the next 7 days. The first storm system settles in near Yuma tomorrow. Gusty winds coming out of the east. That will continue through the first half of Saturday as well. Sunday, we get a break from the breezes, and then the second storm system arrives early next week. Cold front grazing the eastern portion of Arizona. Another round of gusty winds, some cooler temperatures as well. Daytime highs between now and Monday dropping off about 10 degrees. Some cold overnights coming up too next week. As far as air quality, particulate matter, dust levels starting to pick up just a little bit. Still in the healthy range, but if you are overly sensitive to the poor air quality, the lower air quality that is, and are a little concerned tomorrow, may want to limit your time outdoors. Moderate air quality in the forecast. Things start to get better on Saturday. We'll have to watch that air quality early next week with more gusty winds in the forecast. Forewarn, extended forecast looking like this. Upper 70s next couple of afternoons, but low 70s early next week. Behind that second storm system, daytime highs running below average, and your nighttime lows here in Metro Tucson, late Monday night, late Tuesday night, upper 30s, low 40s. That means waking up Tuesday and Wednesday could see freezing temperatures for a good chunk of Santa Cruz and Cochise counties, a trend we'll be watching over the next couple of days here with the computer models.